Aadya. Welcome back to Aadya Singh and to another episode of the motivational series. We all have plants and we take so much care of them, don't we? Our today's video is just something like that. But let's take ourselves as the plant, which means taking care of the human plant. So, as I was talking about a human plant, yes, that's us. And we do need to take care of ourselves in terms to love ourselves. First of all, we water our plants. Thus, we need water as well, as hydrating ourselves is extremely important for our health. Now, most of us use nutrients to nourish our plants' growth. And you guessed it right, human plants need nourishment as well. Not only in the terms of food and a balanced diet, but also learning new things and following a healthy lifestyle. Now, negativity is what almost all of us face, including plants. Just like we trim the unwanted leaves from our plant, we also need to let go of the things which no longer help us and instead harm us through spreading negativity. These things can be humans as well as the activities. This connects me to something which I always love talking about. It's positivity and the positivity enhancing care which we give to our plants, which is required by the human plants as well. To begin with, we also require sunlight. Sunlight, typically the one which we get vitamin D through, but it can also be termed as positivity. We must explore ourselves to positive content to be mentally well. Remember that life may cut you down, but you will always and always come out stronger. Support is what most of the plants need, and so do we. So use support when you need it. One should always give themselves the space to grow, to nourish more nutrients at a time. And lastly, know that nothing is meant to bloom all the time, and everyone grows with their own speed. With this, I'll see you all in my next video. Till that time, grow like a plant does. Also, don't forget to share this video with everyone and subscribe to Aadya Singh.